guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chisom, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I do my everyday makeup. The thing with my everyday makeup is that it's very fast. I'm always on the run, so basically I'll show you guys how I'm able to do my makeup very quickly, especially within a very short period of time. So first I'm using the face primer. The face primer mineral infused. So then for my brows, before I do my brows, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier brow powder, just to make it a bit dry, so it will be easier for me to apply the brow pencil on it. Next I'll be using my Fenty Beauty brow. So this is the brow MVP. So this is the ultra fine brow pencil. I'll be using this on my eyebrows, and again, because I'm in a rush, but I also want it to be good and natural, also I haven't waxed my eyebrows in a while because I'm growing them out, so we can only do so much, which is just filling the sparse part. So this is something different I do whenever I'm late. So when I'm late, I just go straight to my concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in 25 medium. I basically apply the concealer first. And then I put the foundation all around the concealer. So I put it everywhere except where I applied the concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation as well. Sorry, the other one was the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And this is the normal to oily one in 340 cappuccino. And I'll put it everywhere while avoiding the parts that I apply the concealer. So I took the one here away because I'm going to be blending the concealer to the nose, so I'm going to avoid this entire place. So I wet my brush. I just finished wetting my brush, and I'm going to start blending. First I'll start with the concealer part first. And then I'll be blending, using the other side to blend the foundation. I'm blending it very close to the concealer. So if you want more coverage, you could apply more concealer. And then I'll be using the Laura Mercier I'll be using the Laura Mercier powder just to set it. Now I'm not going to leave it for too long. I'm just going to brush the powder out. And then taking the Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder. I use this to contour, so this is in the shade 40 Dark. I'm going to be contouring. And when I'm contouring, I'm pushing it towards my hairline. And then I'll contouring my jaw. So I like blending out my contour with a stiffling brush.
What we do here is go back.
I'm also going to be taking the same contour, shade, and then I'll be applying this on my eyelids. I'll be concentrating it on the lid and then using the same brush to blend it out. I'm blending it upwards. Now, just to make sure that the contour isn't the highlighted, just to make sure that the highlighted part isn't too white, I'll be using my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW40, and I'll be applying this to conceal the highlighted areas, just to make it look more natural, just in case it's a bit too white. Next, I'll be using this Revlon Eyes, Cheek and Lips palette, and this is in the shade 300 Berry in Love. So it comes with a bunch of eyeshadow, and it comes with a bunch of eyeshadow shades and blush shades, also lipsticks. So these are the lipsticks, and the one in the middle is the blush shade. Hopefully it's not too light for me. I'll try it. Nothing is really showing up on my skin, so it's fine. Okay, I'm going to go back into the contour shade using the very tiny brush just to contour. I'm going to contour my nose. And with this, because I'm in a rush, I just trace it out, and then I use the blending sponge, and then contour. Like, I blend out the contour. So this method was what I used to do back then when I wasn't sure about contouring. So just to avoid making mistakes, that was what I did. Next, I'll be using this setting spray. This is the Too Faced Hangover. So this is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. And I'll be spraying this just to set everything up. Next, I'll be using this MAC pencil in Cherry, and I'll be lining my lips. Then I'll be using the Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is the NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in San Paulo. For highlighter, I'm going to use the NYX Cosmetics Strobe of Genius. So the highlighter is already messed up, so I'm just going to use any random, you know, shade. I'm going to use this shade. So that's the end of the look. For the lips, you could decide to use like a clear lip gloss, or maybe a brown or nude lip liner, and then use a clear lip gloss. It depends on you. Like, I like to look natural but still glammed, if that makes sense. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share my content, and I'll see you in the next video.
I take a third step, you hear bang da da dang. I'm not regular, I come through like bang da da dang. Everything like da da dang, smash through like bang da da dang.